How to sign in Zoom with school email. So if you want to sign into your Zoom, then first you need to open up a browser and then go for the search bar and search for Zoom. And after searching here, you will have this Zoom on the first search, right? You can simply click on that. And then here on the upper right corner, you will have sign in option. Click on sign in. And now to sign into your Zoom, and now if you want to sign into your Zoom using your school ID or using your college ID, then first enter your email address which your college or which your school has provided you. And after entering the email address, you have to simply enter your password on the next blank. But if you forgot your password, then you can go for forgot password, and you can recover your account and you can recover your password. Or you can also log in with your SSO or Apple or Google or your Facebook. But I'll be entering the college email address, and then you can enter your password. And after that, you can simply click on sign in and you will be signed in to your. And now you have to enter the verification code which your email has received. And after entering that code, click on verify. And that's it. That's how you log into your Zoom with your school ID. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.